as dead as a doornail. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. As dead as a doornail. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. Now let's delve deeper into the ways in which this expression has been and continues to be used in various contexts, from its origins in literature to its modern-day implications. Understanding the significance of being as dead as a doornail allows us to grasp its lasting impact on our language and culture. Throughout history, this phrase has been employed to emphasize the finality and lifelessness of an object or situation. From the immobility of a doornail to the firm conclusion of a story, it serves as a vivid metaphor for absolute inanimate state. Furthermore, this expression has also permeated modern-day vernacular, with its usage extending beyond the realm of literature. From casual conversations to literary analyses, it continues to serve as a benchmark for lifeless objects or situations, while its original meaning remains intact. Innovative interpretations have emerged over time. This proverb has been utilized as a metaphorical reminder to let go of stagnant aspects of our lives, embracing change and pursuing new opportunities. Thus, by acknowledging the significance of being as dead as a doornail, we can better understand its implications in different contexts and apply its wisdom to our own lives. As dead as a doornail, this expression continues to resonate in our daily lives. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of adaptability and resilience. Just as a doornail is unyielding and immobile, it urges us to shed the shackles of stagnation and embrace change. By applying this mindset, we can let go of outdated habits and beliefs, paving the way for personal growth and success. Whether facing difficulties or seeking luck, being as dead as a doornail encourages us to defy complacency and take bold, decisive actions. It reminds us that in order to thrive, we must shed the weights that hold us back and pursue new opportunities with unwavering determination. Just as the phrase has evolved throughout history, so too can our interpretation of its meaning. Let us continue to draw inspiration from this timeless proverb and breathe life into our endeavors. For in embracing the wisdom of being as dead as a doornail, we unlock the potential for a vibrant, fulfilling existence. As dead as a doornail, this proverb continues to serve as a powerful reminder of the consequences of stagnation and the importance of embracing change. In a world that constantly evolves, remaining unyielding and immobile can lead to missed opportunities and personal dissatisfaction. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.